Nico Natividad nagsalita na sa viral video sa naging interview sa kanya ni OG Diaz sa YouTube channel nito na 13 hours pa lang ay may 571,000 na nga na views. Dito ay nilinaw ni Nico Natividad kung ano nga ba ang nasa likod ng video na iyon. Mula rin sa Facebook ni Carlo Dipad 2.0, narito ang kanyang napakagandang buod sa nasabi nga pong interview na ito ni OG Diaz. During an emotional interview with OG Diaz, actor and comedian Nico Natividad spoke openly about the viral controversy involving four actors linked to a controversial video circulating online. The issue also involved Ron Angeles, Aaron Villaflor, and Gil Cuerva, whose names were dragged into the scandal that quickly spread across social media. Sa nasabing interview na ito ay hindi nagdepensa o nag-attempt itong si Nico Natividad na ang kanyang sarili ay kanya pong i-justify o bigyan ng reason kung bakit o ano ba ang nangyari sa video na yon, bakit niya ito ginawa. He explained honestly, sa madaling salita, aniya, na demonyo ako, natukso, bumigay ako. According to him, the incident happened around 2022 or 2023 despite occasional misunderstandings with his wife. He stressed that those were never the real reason behind what he did. Walang dahilan, walang lusot, hindi dahil nag-away kami ng asawa ko, kahinaan ko yun. He clarified that blaming alcohol, arguments, or circumstances would only be an excuse for something that he alone was responsible for. Ayaw kong gawin dahilan na kasi lasing ako o kasi may tampuhan kami. Mali ako, ako lang yun. For a long time, Nico carried the guilt silently while trying to change his behavior. However, he admitted that he was too afraid to confess the truth to his wife because he feared losing his family. Takot ako aminin sa wife ko kasi natatakot ako baka mawala siya. When rumors started circulating last year that the video was already being sold through Telegram, he realized the truth might eventually surface. Last year, pumutok-putok na siya, may nagme-message na sa akin na binibenta na sa Telegram. Still, he tried to delay the situation as long as possible, hoping the issue would not come out soon. Sinusubukan ko lang i-delay kasi ayokong mahiwalay sa pamilya ko. Eventually, the day he appeared came, when the video finally surfaced online. His wife saw it herself. Nico recalled how painful that moment was as his wife cried and confronted him about his betrayal. Ang nasa isip ko noon, wala na, hiwalayan na to, sinira ko na yung pamilya ko. He said he expected his wife to leave him immediately. However, what surprised him was that instead of reacting with violence, she simply cried endlessly. Hindi niya ako sinampal, umiyak lang siya ng umiyak. According to Nico, what hurt him the most was when his wife even felt concerned for him despite the pain he caused. Nakaramdam pa siya ng awa sa akin, doon ako nag-breakdown. Another heartbreaking moment happened when their eldest child, who is only 10 years old, became aware that something was wrong in their home. His son sent him a message expressing disappointment. Dad, walang ginawang mali si Mami, ba't mo nagawa yun? Nico admitted that those words broke him emotionally, especially when his son later sent another message that made him cry even more. Dad, I love you. I know God will forgive you. For Nico, hearing those words from his own child made him realize the deep impact of his actions not only on his wife but also on their children. He also revealed that during the darkest moment of the situation, he feared his wife might harm herself because of the emotional pain. Sabi ko sa kanya, hiwalayan mo ako kung gusto mo pero huwag kang bibigay. He even told her that he would accept separation if that would help her move forward. Kung iiwan mo ako ngayon, hindi kita pipigilan, deserve ko to. Despite everything, Nico said his wife chose to stay. She did not immediately end their marriage and instead told him to prove through his actions that he truly wanted to change. Sabi niya sa akin, mahal niya pa rin ako, pakita ko daw sa kanya. Nico admitted that this moment made him realize how deeply his wife loved him, something he now says he will never take for granted again. He also made it clear that he does not blame anyone else for the scandal, including the person who leaked the video. Hindi na ako magrereklamo, ako ang may kasal ako eh. For him, the controversy is a painful consequence of his own actions and something he must face fully. Today, Nico says he is focusing on repairing his relationship with his wife and children, rebuilding the trust he broke, and continuing the personal changes he already started. Yung kung pinatawad niya ako, hindi ko sasayangin yun. He believes that while forgiveness was given to him, earning back the trust of his family will require time, accountability, and consistent effort. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.